Introduction. This training will show the various aspects of setting up and configuring Zoom Phone premise peering and anynode. In the Zoom Web Portal configuration chapter, we will take care of how to configure Zoom Phone premise peering through the Zoom Phone admin web portal with anynode as a session border controller. The Zoom Phone premise peering chapter, we will guide you through the initial setup process for Zoom Phone premise peering. You will learn how to configure the necessary credentials, trunks, and endpoints to establish a functional connection and enable seamless communication between your existing telephony infrastructure and Zoom Phone. In the Zoom Node chapter, we will delve into the essential configuration steps required for anynode SBC. You will learn how to set up and fine-tune the node parameters, ensuring optimal performance and compatibility with Zoom Phone premise peering. Moving on to the provider node chapter, we will focus on the specific settings required to establish a connection between any node and a provider. This section will cover authentication, routing, and other important configurations to ensure a secure and reliable communication channel. In the routing chapter, we will explore advanced routing configurations within any node. This section will equip you with the knowledge and skills to optimize call routing, implement rules for inbound and outbound calls, and handle various scenarios effectively. Finally, to verify the configuration check chapter describes initiating and evaluating a test call and creating a trace using the anynode trace analyzer. Anynode, the Software SBC. Anynode, the Software SBC provides a comprehensive solution for securing and managing real-time communication sessions between different networks, particularly in voice over IP and other unified communications environments. One of the key advantages of anynode is its flexibility. As a software-based solution, anynode can be installed on commodity hardware or virtualized environments, making it highly adaptable to various system configurations. Additionally, anynode offers many integration options, making connections to almost every telephony trunk or third-party equipment. Another advantage of anynode is its fair investment costs. Because it is a software-based solution, anynode requires minimal hardware and maintenance costs compared to traditional hardware-based SBC solutions. This includes the flexibility to choose a preferred cloud provider, example, Microsoft Azure or AWS. If you want a quick overview of the anynode fundamentals, watch our video, First Steps, on YouTube. In less than 15 minutes, you learn the basic principles of anynode's frontend and tools. Abstract Processing Overview. You can define one or multiple nodes for SIP connectivity through any node, and routing decisions can be made among these nodes using one or multiple routing domains. While any node can handle multiple routing domains, most standard scenarios work fine with just one. Inbound SIP connections to a node get processed through its incoming dial string rewrite rules, and specific filters and routing decisions can be defined in the routes table of a routing domain. You can even use matching conditions based on diversion numbers or defined lookup directories, and several advanced actions can be performed via route establishment handling. Once a routing rule matches, further processing inside the routing table stops, and final rewritings of the source and destination dial strings can be performed with the outgoing dial string rewrite rules. All these definitions follow the first match method, and rules get processed from top to bottom. A node's dial string rewrite rules will be processed until a match is found or until there are no matching rules in the dial string rewriting and mapping table. Anynode and Zoom Phone premise peering. Zoom Phone premise peering allows organizations to seamlessly integrate their existing telephony infrastructure with Zoom Phone, providing a complete and flexible calling solution. Anynode plays a crucial role in making this happen. As a session border controller, it acts as a gateway between the organization's telephony system and Zoom Phone premise peering, securely translating the signaling and media protocols used by Zoom Phone into the formats used by the organization. Anynode does not only route calls, but also provides features such as call queuing or call transfer, allowing organizations to integrate their existing telephone technology with Zoom Phone fully. Before configuring anynode as a session border controller in the Zoom Phone system environment, completing all necessary preliminary administrative configurations is essential. This includes network and cloud-related configurations, such as accessing Zoom's cloud service via the Zoom web portal. To enable Zoom Phone services for your Zoom users, you must configure anynode as a session border controller in the Zoom Phone system environment. Finally, anynode has been officially certified for Zoom Phone since 2021. It was continuously developed in close coordination with Zoom until now, meaning it is fully compatible and up to date. By implementing anynode, the official Zoom certification for Zoom Phone premise peering offers significant benefits. Interoperability: anynode ensures a seamless integration with Zoom Phone premise peering for high-quality audio and video. Compliance: anynode meets Zoom's compliance requirements for Zoom Phone, ensuring necessary features, security, and privacy policies. Reliability: anynode provides high availability and reliability for Zoom's telephony integration. Support: anynode receives official support from Zoom experts. Future-proofing: anynode is designed to be compatible with future updates and extensions of Zoom Phone premise peering. By obtaining official certification from Zoom Phone premise peering, anynode offers our customers the added advantage of receiving support through Zoom's support process.